Welcome back to the channel, guys, and thank you for tuning in. So today we are going to be talking on a topic that has been going around a lot lately, and that is Poké Options scam or legend. So if you're looking forward to investing with Poké Options as a broker to trade binary options, you might want to stick to the end of this video. Make sure your money is in a safe place where you can invest, trade carefree, and just focus on making your money, not being bombarded with so many issues. So stick to the end of this video and let's break it down together. So what is Poké Options, right? Poké Options is an online trading platform that offers a range of commodities for traders worldwide to trade from. That is forex, crypto, indices, and it is very appealing because the interface is so user friendly that it welcomes both newbie traders and even experienced traders. But it being user friendly and appealing to the eye, does it really mean it is worth your investment? Let's find out. Okay, so let's start with some good features on Poké Options. So Poké Options as a platform or as a broker, they have made a whole lot of claims. Like they actually claim to deliver fast and high payouts. That is, if you make big amounts of money, they are actually going to pay according to them, right? So Poké Options also offers different payment methods like crypto, bank transfer, and which may be very very comfortable for people from different regions of the world. And also they do tend to offer bonuses during deposit. When you deposit your first time using a particular code, they can give you 100% deposit bonus. That is, if you deposit with $100, they give you additional 100, starting your balance at 200, which a whole lot of people have actually claimed to receive. I personally have not tried using the code, but Poké Options claim to offer that service, and that can seem like a very very nice opportunity for some traders that have few funds. Imagine depositing $50, getting an additional 50. That would be very good because your funds will be increased and it will give you a higher chance to make profits. Now let's talk about something you actually want to hear. Is Poké Options legit? So I'm going to just go out straight and say it that Poké Options isn't a regulated broker. What do I mean? They are not regulated by any financial authorities like SEC or FCA, and these are authorities that regulate brokers like XNES, FBS, XM, that so many that you are very familiar with, or you should be. You can also check them out. These are high brokers that we can opt out for any day, anytime, because they are regulated. Now, what does it mean to be regulated? That means their operations are actually looked upon. That means if they do anything wrong, they are going to be sanctioned by these financial authorities. And now you can understand why this is a very big red flag. They are not regulated, meaning they can act or behave anyhow they want and they won't get to see any consequences. I mean, if you make profit trading with Poké Options and they decide not to pay you, what can you do? Unless you are willing to go down to their main office, wherever it is, and knock at the front door, which is a whole lot of impossible for many people across the world. So when you see brokers that are not regulated by financial authorities, you have to act safe. So if you want to invest with this broker, let's be very cautious because they are not regulated, and unregulated brokers tend to behave anyhow. Like I said, they don't have to face any consequences for any actions they take. Now that we are done talking about the fact that they are not regulated being a very very big red flag, yes, very 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 big red flag. I personally am not safe. I don't feel safe working with unregulated brokers. So now I'm going to talk about their reviews. Like I said, online they have a whole lot of mixed reviews. You see people here saying, "Oh, Poké Options was good. They paid me fast. Everything was nice. Everything was smooth." On the other hand, you see people saying, "I have issues with account verification. My payout took weeks. My withdrawal took weeks. They take so much time processing withdrawals that it becomes so uncomfortable. The platform does this." It's so many bad reviews. At the same time, they do have good reviews, but I'm going to be honest that I did my own research scouting review sites across the whole web. I checked their reviews on Play Store, Trustpilot, and so many other trusted broker review sites. And at the end of the day, I'm just going to go out and say Poké Options had more bad reviews than good. A lot of people were complaining about account verifications, complaining about requests of withdrawals not being processed or taking days, taking weeks, which other brokers can give you this in minutes, literally minutes. latest hours. I haven't really seen any broker that pays withdrawals in more than a day. It's crazy to think about, because mine is the broker I use literally done in a minute. So that is a very big red flag. Their bad reviews are more than their good reviews, and I really look at the reviews and I take them important, because people are experiencing bad things and I would like to experience what they are experiencing with this broker. So I would like to say, when it comes to reviews, poker options come out to be on the wrong side again. So during the video, we have seen some red flags that are associated with poker options, like the fact that they are not regulated, the fact that their bad reviews are more, and I want to say, like, those are actually very big red flags you should look out for. And if you are still keen to investing in poker options because you like binary options, because poker options is a broker that offers binary options trading, if you want to go ahead and use them, just be cautious. I would suggest starting with a demo account first, and then if you want to go live, deposit little, see how it goes, see the experience. If it is worth putting more money into it, go ahead, put more money, because now you're more confident that okay, the broker isn't that bad. Maybe people with those bad reviews, the broker has changed and all that. So if you want to go ahead and trade with poker options, make sure you deposit small. Start with a demo account first, then you already put a small amount of money into it and see how it goes. So is poker options legit or scam? So I won't necessarily say it is a scam, because I don't want to be out here trying to bad name the company and all that, but I'm going to say the opinions are mixed online, the reviews are mixed. Everybody has mixed reactions and opinions about poker options, and my advice is still be cautious. If you're still keen on using them, go ahead, make use of demo before you go live, starting with small capital to see how the experience is going to look like. So if you want to trade poker options, good luck. Like I said, follow the rules I've told you, follow the steps I've told you to take. Demo, small capital when you're ready. So good luck. Hope you make money with poker options. Hope you get paid quick. This to get withdrawals is not something I would like to experience. It's very bad. So in trading, there are always risks, and ending up using a broker is actually still risky. Broker like options, like poker options, is actually risky. So trading has its own risk. Just be cautious. Know how much money you're investing with a broker like that. If you want to use them, you understand. Know and understand the risks that come with it, and be very vigilant. Stay sharp. Like I said, small capital. Don't go putting big amounts of money. When anything happens, you know that you may get put into a bad position, right? Put money that you're going to lose, because that's how trading is. So wish you good luck if you're still going to use poker options to trade. If you like this video, liked and found any of this helpful, do well to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, as I'm going to be posting new videos related to this. If I see the reaction on this video, if I see that people actually found this helpful, so do well to leave that in the comment, and yeah, I'll be back with you guys. Love.